What's up? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be discussing the trap phase on I. For those of you who are coming into this now, you are going to need to go back to the beginning of the series. I will provide a link in the description for that. We are going past the build limit by a couple thousand traps. For those of you who are with me, who have been watching this from the start, we are going to start this right now. The first thing we are going to do, though, we are going to repair this. So 1, 2, 3. So the fourth one. Inside of here, let's put in some wall darts. Come on, cupcake. As soon as I see that blue, I'm going to oh. Got it. Let's come back out here and upgrade this. We're just gonna spam these on the backside. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, up here, this is all going to be sealing electric fields. This is going to be gas. There's some these. I don't know which ones I just used, so I already forgot. Didn't know if it was, should have had 30% more vector racing for the gas, but I wasn't paying attention. So that's it for that. Now we are going to place one ceiling zapper there. Now our drop tiles. That is it for there. There we go for that. Down here, we're gonna put our subs. That is it. Our wall darts. And we're gonna put our broadside there. We're gonna do our ceiling electric fields. And from right here, we're gonna put floor 3 straps. And then 2 targets. We are going to do now in the inside. Your ceiling zappers. Great damage. This is it. You don't really want to do anything right here. You don't want them to aggro yet. Alright. Now we are going to move on to doing the anti-air. So let's scroll down, get our anti-airs. We're just going to pummel that whole back side. No, we don't need them, but it looks kind of cool. Yeah, just have all the traps spinning. Okay. That is it for this. Now, you can add more traps back here if you so choose. I'm just not doing it. If they decide to break through, then yes, I'm just gonna come off my little camping spot, which is right there. Let me get up here. That's my little spot where I camp, and when I'm zeroed in on my little spyglass here, the revenge of the super nerds, I'll be watching them. So we'll be okay. Nothing down here. They pretty much never even come close to making it, so this is it for I. Did I get everything? Let's just make sure one more time before we close the video. Yes, we did. This is it. The Reaper has come. that is it for this build. In the next video, we are going to pick up on E, and then the last one will be A. I know these are going quick, but this is how it's supposed to be. We already did all the work and all the talking in the build phase. So GG. Everybody here have a great night. I will be adding a link in the description for the Discord. And for the newer people who are just coming, I will add the link to the very first video to the series. Remember, these are all in parts, so just go back to part 1. Alright, have a great night, everybody, and stay safe out there in this crazy world we got living in right now.